Hi, I'm Sean Gladden, Site Administrator for the Landis Valley Village and Farm Museum, where Pennsylvania agricultural history comes to life. When you visit Landis Valley Museum, there are so many things for you to choose from. We have 100 acres of Pennsylvania living history, farm history, animals, great living interpreters, 50 different buildings. It's a great spot to come and visit with your family. We do also have a robust education department for homeschool groups, school groups, scout groups. It's an excellent opportunity to learn Pennsylvania German history while also learning about what it was like to live in Pennsylvania in the past. We have the Landis Valley Museum Store where you can buy curated local crafts and artisan gifts from Lancaster vendors. In addition to the many experiences we have here at the Landis Valley Village and Farm Museum, we also have special events throughout the year, some of which are the Urban Garden Fair, Civil War Days, and Harvest Days. Landis Valley also makes a great location for your special event or wedding. We have facilities here and a great event staff that can help you with your special day. 2025 marks the 100-year anniversary of the Landis Valley Village and Farm Museum. Originally founded by the Landis brothers in 1925, it has been the premier experience for those looking for a little taste of Pennsylvania's agricultural past. For 2025, please consider coming back, whether you haven't visited us for a while or whether you're looking for a new experience. Landis Valley is a great place to visit for the whole family. There's so much to do here at Landis Valley, and we hope we see you very soon.
For more information, visit discoverlancaster.com.